Like yesterday we used a third-party framework that may be built on Langchain, right?
Autogen.
Yeah, AutoChain. That may be built up top on Langchain, and today we are directly using the Langchain, right? That is the
Right.
concept, right?
See, Autogen, you can use, Autogen is a AI agent framework. You can use Langchain to, to use on top of it, or you can use Langchain's AI agent framework. Right? You can have build AI agent. Anyway, I'll talk about AI agent using Langchain towards the later part of this. But here the point is, it just allows you to create an abstraction. Okay.
Yes, sir. One question, sir.
Uh,
I've understood this thing you have told Langchain.
uh,
I was on the website of Langchain.com. They are
hmm.
saying their products Langgraph, Langsmith, Langchain. Three products are there.
Now,
Whatever.
Langchain, Langgraph, right? You're talking
Maybe
about
I
all
am
that.
moving ahead of the course or not.
No, I can quickly
Just
show it. That's
okay,
okay.
sir. What
Okay,
is this?
so
And sir, they are asking for money. Developer free for one user, 5K traces per month.
by default, every in the world will ask you
Okay,
for
sir.
money.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Definitely. Sir.
so
We
but
can
don't
use
worry
free.
about that.
Yes.
So see, when they
Yes.
talk Langsmith, and Langsmith is using, you have Langgraph, like for AI agent.
Okay,
Langsmith
sir.
is
One question, sir. This I'm asking maybe very uh, like these they're charging these things. Like you are the programmer, you can develop this thing, uh, your own company, like
absolutely,
LinkedIn. Yes, sir.
absolutely, and please do that. Like
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
we
How to do it, sir? You should start, sir. Sir.
no,
For
I think, yeah, I'm
for
trying to
Indian
do.
users, sir. Actually, means
No,
someone from our Indian
right,
make
and that is why
dollars so
I
much
always
money.
then, no, that's there. Why to, like, even for chatbot, you're paying companies like Intercom and others, right?
That is why.
It's easier to build now. So that is
Yes.
why I actually feel, okay, we were late to build LLM models. That's
Yes, sir.
okay, but we should
Yes.
build a lot of application on top of it. Basically, what people say is AI will eat software. Software development should become very easy. So this is
Yes.
the time you build a lot of products on top of these LLMs, and disrupt the current software market. Like, and
Yes, sir.
very small companies can do that now. Okay.
Okay. Right, sir.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you, sir.
So yeah, so we'll see that, like, today itself you'll feel, once I execute that crawling code and deputy, how easy it is to build applications using this, right? So moving on, like, okay, so it allows you to, what is the next concept here, right? Prompts, right? First is model, which you understood, which means that you can, you can use any of the model, LLM model. You can use embedding model, which we'll see later how to include vector databases like Chrome DB and others. We'll see that. Next is prompt. This is the another concept in it. Okay, so again you will see here. Okay, uh, just see this message. Okay, it allows you to, like, it allows you to create a system message. I'll try to write this code. Um, okay, so I've set my OpenAI account to this. I hope I'll be able to do some things. So I'm trying to do a very small thing here. So this is how. Okay, so what you're doing here, you are using this Langchain message has internally, prompting layer. That means, either earlier we had to write our prompts. Here you can use these APIs to create your prompt, right? You are writing here, you're a helpful assistant. What is the meaning of life, right? And then